Hello and good evening, friends. My name is Shantanu and I am here with a new video topic. My today's video topic is method and constructor, difference between method and constructors. Today is 4th August 2022 and let's start with the today's video topic. Actually, I will explain both the concept like method and constructor in this video topic, but I will give you some example, or I'll correlate this topic to my previous videos. Like yesterday I have discussed with you everyone that the difference between chaining process in methods and constructors. So basically I will explain that what is method and what is constructor. Actually, a method is a set of element or a set of code which actually runs when it is called from any object at the particular class. So it means if we have to use method, we have to call it with that particular object of that method. So that is why only we will call our method. It means what exactly it means, we will call our method means we are giving the method to our executor. It means to our output, it will show only output after we call the method. Rather than that, it will not gonna show anything, or it will not gonna display our code. So this is the basically method. Why we use method, and where, what is the exactly use of method, where we are using method concept. Actually, from previous 4 5 days I am explaining each and every concept of oops concepts. This is the basic concept of oops. So the methods and constructor also a concept of oops only, object oriented programming system. So this is all about methods and where we use methods. Actually, why only we use methods? Because technically, or by definition, with the definition, we use method to reuse our code. Reuse our code. What exactly it means? It means if we have, we can take an example. If we have a particular operation like addition of two numbers or addition of four numbers. So addition of four numbers, it means we are going to put it in methods like first method will get some variable and variable assigning. Second method will get next variable and assigning. Third method will get addition operation in that. So after this, if we want to add four numbers or eight numbers, so we can use this two or three numbers, or what we can say methods, by calling them repeatedly. So it will help us to reduce our code, what we can say, messiness, or our code, it will effect on our code. It will look like a syntax perfect, or what we can say in other hands, it will look like good readability of code will increase. So this is why only we use methods. Okay, it means we use methods to reuse our code. It means we can write a code somewhere, and we can use that code in different objects. With the help of different objects, we can call that particular method. So this is all about methods. Let's get into a concept of constructor. Actually, by definitionally also, by practically also, and by theoretically also, constructor and methods are more similar to each other With syntax we can say that 80% or 90% similarity is there in between methods and constructor. There is two main difference. That is, first I'll explain about methods and then I'll go with constructor. Method has return types and argument sizes or argument numbers, whereas in other hand, in our constructor there is no need of any return type value, or constructor does not support any return type value in our program. So this is the first difference. And second, construct we can put argument value also, or else, or we can put only constructor name on also. So this is not necessary to put any particular argument in our constructor performing. So this is all about the basic difference between constructor and methods. Secondly, method required or method are having four types. First, with what we can say argument sizes and no return type. Second one, with return type and no argument. Third one, return type with single argument. And fourth one, return type with double arguments or two arguments. So this is all about four types of methods and constructors. Constructor is having only two types. That is a constructor with zero parameter, or we can say that a default constructor, and second one a constructor with one parameter or a parameter number. Okay, so what we can say actually, a constructor with parameters, it means a constructor with argument size, particular argument size. Method has to write within a class. Second one, constructor has a class name similar to our main class. It means constructor name and class name are similar, only then only constructor will get execute in our program. Third one, method will add, for execution of methods we require to what we can say, we require to make them their objects. In constructor there is no need of creation of object, because it is correlated with our class, main class. When we are going to create a main class object, constructor will automatically get called. Secondly, constructor is used with two pointer systems like this and super. Exactly, everyone knows there is a certain rules, or there is some rules where we in Java, that is we cannot, we it means actually I am saying about coders or programmers. Programmer cannot use a pointer structure or a pointer in Java programming language. So what it means, so this is a what we can say, this is a particular special keyword which is similar to pointer in other languages. So this used for creation of constructor. But there is one basic difference. If we want this to put in our constructor, it will also does not affect on our constructor building. Or other hand, if we cannot put this word in front of our constructor name, it will also get executed similarly, doesn't have effect on our constructor building. So this is all about constructor and methods. So I will explain some difference between both. Like earlier in this video also I have explained that, but in deep I'll explain. Like constructor can use to get increase the readability of codes, sorry, increase the readability of code. It means if we use a 2 3 4 constructor, we can get our code or many lengthy code to a systematic level or certain level, where we can get a particular constructor, why we use this constructor, why we use this constructor, every constructor name with their particular class. It will show us and it will get easier to read to itself or coder also or next coder also, to find what exactly the code shows or what exactly the code wants to execute. So this is all about constructor and methods, and this is the main difference between constructor using and method using in our Java language. This is all about from me for today's topic. Thank you so much.